Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
What's up, beautiful people out there? This is Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing extremely well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your maternity photographs or portraits, like Luizclas, who is a very famous Instagram photographer. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets just like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom Preset, LUTs, PNGs and every other photo editing stuff for free. Also follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the beautiful world of Lightroom. The very first thing you need to do is just open the Lightroom and let's just import one photograph. So all you're gonna do is just go to the library and click on the import button. Now just browse the photograph which you want to edit it. Here is my photograph. Now just click on the import button, go to the develop tab. Now here we're gonna edit like Luizclas. The very first thing we need to do is just change the temperature to yellowish tone, which is very much Luizclas he uses in his photograph. So we wanna make it more red, so just keep it give this temperature to yellowish, reddish yellow. So just change the hue to -80 and just red to tone to +17. You can reduce the saturation to -7. Now go to the HSL tab, select the green color and just move it to, or just decrease the saturation of it. Also decrease the saturation of the aqua color, also the yellowish color. You can change it, the color of the yellow to red. Now we have to turn this still more to reddish tone, so we're gonna decrease the highlights. So just decrease the exposure from the image. Also add some contrast. Reduce the highlights of the image. Increase the whiteness. Increase the whiteness a little bit to +5 or +7. Now decrease some shadows. Increase the blackness if you want to increase. Increase the clarity to +10. Vibrance to +5. And just reduce some saturation to -5 or something like that. -3 would be pretty much perfect, or -5 is also perfect. Now the next thing would be to add the highlights. Before adding highlight, let's add some shadows. So just pick this yellowish tone, yellowish red tone on the image. Decrease the saturation. Make the saturation to around 25. And make the highlights again to reddish tone. Whichever it is more suitable you can just pick, but here the photograph is almost reddish, so we want to make it red highlights. Let's keep it this as your highlights. Now here just increase the saturation, or you can decrease a little bit. Plus 25 will be pretty much perfect. Now the next thing would be to add vignette on the image. So all you're gonna do is just go to the effects tab, watch vignette. Now add an amount of blackness on the image. Just add some midpoint. Add some feathers. Now this one is really looking like Luizclas photograph. Now the next thing and the last thing would be to add some kind of particles of it. So we're gonna just add some particles on the image. Here you can just reduce the green saturation to -15 and just move this to +7 to maintain the redness of the tone of the skin. That's why. So here you can see the before and after. It is really looking like Luizclas. And now the next thing would be to add the particles in the image. So all you need to do is just go to the export, or you can select the edit because we want to add the particles in Photoshop. So go to the edit and edit in Photoshop, whatever version you are using, just edit in Adobe Photoshop CC. Now here you need to do is edit a copy with Lightroom adjustment, and just click on the edit. So it will just keep the color tone adjustment of the Lightroom in Photoshop. So we're gonna just add some particles of the dirt in the image to give it more realistic and awesome look like Luizclas. So we're gonna just add these particles, just drag it and drop over here. Now just rasterize it and change the blending mode to screen. Now all you have to do is just add a layer mask on this image. Select the brush tool and select the black color over here, and just select the soft round brush. Increase the size of the brush. From here you can just delete the bigger particles. Also remove from the facial region. Now this one is really looking very cool. You can just delete some or decrease the saturation of the particle to around 50%. Again select the black color and just reduce it. Now just merge it with the background layer. Now we're gonna just go to the curves, click the point 1 over here and 1 point over here, and just move this slider from down to upside to give the photograph a very matte look. So we are going to add this tone. So just merge it with the background layer. So let's take the original. So finally here we have done the process of editing. So you can see that this is the original photograph and this is the edited one, which is really looking like a Luizclas. So here you can see the huge difference. It is really looking very much amazing. Well, I hope you all guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets just like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset and every other kind of photo editing stuff just for free. Also follow me on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.